Hello viewers, welcome once again to Morit Farms, and today we are going to learn something on canola. So this is a canola plantation, and basically canola is a vegetable oil. It produces seeds which can be crushed to produce oil. Canola has very important nutrients. It has vitamins that are very key and essential for human consumption. It's actually the most coveted vegetable oil beside palm oil or corn oil. Canola has actually very important tenets. It contains omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 and vitamin E. Omega-6 is crucial in brain development, and that's why it is important or good for when raising children or for children to actually consume. It is grown. It's a brassica family. It's grown. It's among the family of scales or cabbages, whereby it grows and it grows to yellow flowers. The yellow flowers mature to give seeds similar to those seeds of kales. And then when it is harvested, the seeds are harvested, dried, and then crushed. Crushing it gives 40%. The 40% part of the seed is oil, and the remaining part is actually waste, but it's a beneficial waste whereby you actually utilize can be utilized by cows or animals. So it's an important crop. And it's of great value. One thing, when you grow, there are companies that crush oil, so when you grow in your farm, you are sure of getting the market. And an acre piece of grown canola can give you between 1.5 tons to around 2 tons. So 2 tons, that is 2,000 kilograms, and then a kilo currently is being sold at 100 shillings. That is Kenya shillings, or approximately $1. So that is around 200,000. So for an acre, you can literally get at maximum yield or an ideal yield of 200,000. It is less. It grows in high altitudes and middle altitude. It doesn't do well in hot areas, but with high altitude and mid altitude, it grows well in loam, fertile soil. Besides that, this crop is less labor intensive, so you require minimal management practices after planting. That is because number one, weeding. The crop itself is compact. When you plant, you ensure it is compacted, hence you don't require to weed. How to plant it? You have two methods, that is broadcasting or drill. When broadcasting, you do it like the way you're planting wheat on a well dug or prepared piece of land, which is having fine tilth, because the seeds are very small and it shouldn't go deep. So you broadcast and maybe cover with a fine tilth or fine soil layer, because for it to germinate and to avoid wastage. Again, other practices that you may employ in this place is controlling of insects. Aphids is common, but when you apply the locally available insecticide, you're able to control. So at the end of it, I believe you'll be able to grow your crop until the end, harvests, and take to the millers, and yes, that's how you fetch your money. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you learned something on canola. It's a very, very important vegetable oil that can be grown on the various places, majorly in Kenya. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos and notification when we upload other videos. Thank you.